Welcome everyone. You're joining us for a very special moment. We have a special guest arriving in our CNN News 18 studios, and you can see that wonderful silver trophy. That's the ICC Men's T20 World Cup trophy. India are the defending champions, and India will be gunning for that trophy one more time. We've got the ICC representatives getting that trophy and that special guest into our studios. So they are in our office building, and they're just entering the lift, and they will be coming to us very shortly. Why is that trophy so important? The World Cup is coming up. This is going to be an opportunity for India to do one better than any other team has ever managed in the men's T20. That is, win that trophy for a record third time. There are only 3 countries along with India, West Indies and England, who have won this trophy twice. Remember, India were the inaugural men's T20 champions in South Africa. They also won the 2024 edition. They are the defending champions, and they will be looking to bring this trophy, bring this cup home, as they say. The cricket fever is rising, countdown is beginning, and that countdown begins with this ICC Men's T20 World Cup trophy tour to CNN News 18 studios. We'll be talking a lot more about that. I've got with me our resident cricket expert, Atul Vasan is with us. Atul, excited to see this trophy up close and personal?
I think this is a wonderful initiative. I think this trophy tour is something which can connect, the aspiring cricketers, because, they are going to all the alma mater of the Indian players, also to their educational institutions, to show that this is where your dream started. And, this is where it comes. But this trophy also puts extra pressure on India, as you said, because no one has ever defended the trophy at home.
Yes. This is going to be a very important moment. I've also got my colleague Anand joining us. Anand, you can see the trophy in your sights.
Trophy as it steps into the 23rd floor here at CNN News 18. आपका स्वागत है with the ICC World T20 trophy. You feel like walking like Rohit Sharma right next to this trophy. See, big round of applause from our newsroom also. Can you just turn around here for our newsroom to have a look at this trophy? There you go. That's it. Aye, chaliye, we go into the studio. That's the riser on which the trophy is. It's all real, absolute, lively, live. We're doing it, walking into the studio. Atul Vasan and Shivani, as I'm walking with them. Yeah, I want to do the robo walk. Yeah, seriously. There you go. But हाथ नहीं लगा सकते. देखिए, she is also touching it with gloved hands, and this is something which someone like Atul Vasan can explain how important this trophy is, na? हाँ, बलाएं ले रहे हैं आप
नजर उतार रहे हैं
बलाएं ले रहे हैं इसकी so let's do this together. आइए अतुल एक robo walk like रोहित शर्मा किया जाए. What do touch नहीं कर सकते यार.
This is a beautiful design. Can I just say, this isn't the first T20 trophy that was ever used. Back when the men's T20 was called the World T20, if you remember, the cricket buffs will remember this.
Yes.
So the first trophy that India won in South Africa was not this trophy. We all remember that moment very, very clearly. But, of course, this has been used since 2021 edition, and it's a stunning design, isn't it, Atul?
Well, all trophies. I think you should even. Have you seen the Ashes?
Yeah.
It's actually this big.
This big.
But the importance of it is to just win something, because you beat all the world, and it's a World Cup, of course. But I think the main thing is that in 2007, India won it, but never had this kind of importance, this kind of relevance. Because T20 was just taking baby steps.
His heart rate's gone up. Atul's
when I see this,
and what does it say? ICC T20 World Cup?
West Indies and USA 2024. So this is the last edition's trophy which India had won. Obviously, the winning teams are given a replica of the trophy of that edition. But the monogram on this trophy says that this is the edition, the trophy from the last edition. And of course, there will be a new one that will be inscribed as well. And
we got a few cricket buffs also. Vinith, come on in. Come, our cricket reporters, Kshitij. There are those who are all big buffs of cricket who want to get a closer look. So we're going to call people, whoever within our CNN News 18 newsroom who want to have a look. Vinith, now up close and personal, how does this feel?
It feels good, and for the third time also, if it is coming home, will be nothing better than that.
Third time also.
It's coming home.
It's coming home.
पहले धोनी, फिर शर्मा, अब सूर्य कुमार.
अब
सूर्य कुमार. This time it should come home. There are others also. A lot of our entire. Why ये जिप शॉट जरा उधर दिखाना हमारे न्यूज रूम में देखिए कितने लोग खड़े हैं इसको देखने के लिए. Come on in, Kshitij.
We should have
One
had
by
a
one,
replica
I'm
made
gonna
for
go.
people to lift it.
Yeah,
alongside,
can't
you
touch
know.
it, but you can enjoy.
You can
and
go stand pose
obviously
in front
soak
of
in
it,
the
get
sights.
a
Come closer. We can all stand around it as well, and all get a shot in. But this trophy now, Vineet is also here, is talking about us getting it for the third time, and literally no one in this world believes that India is not the next T20 World Cup winner, isn't it? The side is doing so amazingly well.
Absolutely, and this is India's World Cup to lose. I mean, it's not for
Yeah.
them to win, it is for them to lose. There's
No
nobody
pressure,
else.
no pressure.
अभी तक कोई जीता नहीं है. Nobody has won it at home.
I don't think anybody has
just
defended the trophy
just a-
either.
Nobody has defended the trophy, nobody has
Yeah,
won
yeah.
it at home.
Yeah.
Nobody has defended the trophy, nobody has won it at home.
Yeah.
And also, if India wins this, India would be the only team to win
Win
it
it three times.
Three
Yes, so
times.
we're looking for a
lot
hat
of-
trick.